Hey guys, my name is Natasha. I'm a yoga club tribe leader and I am so excited because my yoga club box came today. I'm going to try and set my phone up and open it for you guys. Best day of the month. Yoga club box delivery. So I'm going to open it with you guys. You can get a box every single month, or now you can get quarterly boxes, which is amazing. So every 3 months, I think, you get a new box. You take a style quiz and the stylist configures a package for you. You can also pick between like just getting leggings every month, I think for 40 bucks, or a whole outfit, 2 or 3 piece outfits. And I think the 3-piece outfit is, I want to say like $70 a month, and that's what I get. So let's see what I got. All right. Okay, first of all, this is super soft. It is by Glider, and it's a really cute white tank top. I can already see all these cutouts down the back. So cute and so soft. Second part is a Sadhana sports bra. And I know that I already have this in red, and it's my favorite yoga club sports bra that I've gotten. So I'm actually really excited to get a second one. It's a pull back. So now I have a bright pink one. And the leggings. Naima Soul. I've been wanting to get Naima Soul leggings since I first joined. Either Tiki or Naima Soul are my favorite leggings. They're made from recycled plastic bottles, and they are super cute. Can you see the stripes on the top and then the stripes down the legs? I'm so excited. I'm gonna go try on my outfit and I will be right back. Yay! My favorite box I've ever gotten, hands down. The pants are perfect. The top is super soft and cute. Check out the back. And bright pink sports bra. Can I just jump upside down right now? Whoa! I'm not warmed up, but what my handstands look like. Not warmed up. Oh, don't forget, you can use my new discount code for 20% off your first box. It is Natasha Swinter 20. Every box you get, a child in an underserved community gets a yoga class. I hope you join, and I will see you next time. Woo! So happy about my outfit.